Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. As you can see, in an exceptional fashion, we put in this beautiful landscape drainage solution that even has the dogs excited. With this beautiful Xeon Zorja sod installation, has allowed for this customer to be able to truly have the enhancement of their landscape, and even the dogs like it, guys. And that just helps you understand the reason why we use Xeon Zorja sod, which we believe is some of the best grass your money can buy. But let me help you understand what we had to do on this landscape. We had a tremendous amount of water that was being able to move from the neighbor's yard. As you can see, all of that erosion that comes off of the neighbor's yard, we would have been able to now take it in through a dry creek bed and then appropriate it into a drain box. So this dry creek bed design that you see here is allowing us to be able to take that water that comes to the fence, appropriate it into one drain box, and then not only just one drain box, guys, we have another drain box right here. So when you begin to understand the value that we were able to provide for this customer, it gave them the opportunity to truly see their landscape enhanced by just simply being able to have something such as a dry creek bed design, and that of what we've been able to provide for them with this beautiful Xeon Zorja sod installation. And as I said, even the dogs love it. So if you're in a position and you're looking for a landscape drainage solution, well, guess what, guys? You don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, we've been solving outdoor landscape drainage problems for over a decade now. And we've been giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what we did here. We did this so that we could deal with the water that was coming off of the gutter downspouts from the neighbor's yard on this side. Now that water falls into this particular dry creek bed down to the path of least resistance, guys, and then it moves itself down through this dry creek bed that you see here. And what it does, it allows for us to be able to ensure that that water is going into these drain boxes that we've created for the customer, and then it also ensures that that water is going off the front side of the landscape. Now, this is our second time being here. The first time we dealt with a landscape problem on this property that dealt with the decorative gravel being necessary in order to create an outdoor living experience, but then also the necessity to come back with the exact same design, guys, on this side of the property. So we did that as well by being able to come in with this beautiful design with the river rock and the dry creek bed and in the thought process of a drain box here. It gave this opportunity, the customer, an opportunity to deal with the water that was coming from this side of the landscape, all of which have given this customer back their landscape, all of which have given them total landscape transformation, and one that's gonna last a lifetime, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. We make dirt look good like you never thought we could.